Hi, this is Tracy Guillot with the Guillot Group at Realty One Group MVP. Welcome to this extraordinary residence at 445 Cove Towers Unit 903 in Montego in Naples, Florida. This stunning residence offers 3 bedrooms plus a den, 3 full bathrooms, nearly 2,700 square feet of living space. The owner spared no expense on this whole home remodel from head to toe with high-end finishes that will not disappoint. This is the dream home in Naples you've been waiting for. Let's go take a look.